Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Cracker Barrel Coca-Cola cake. I got my oven 350. I'm going to put it in a 13 by 9 pan, and I've already sprayed it with Pam or cooking spray. And we're going to get this things hot. We're getting hot. I got my Coca-Cola. You use regular Coke. Don't get no diet stuff. Got some oil, butter, and cocoa. Let me get a whisk out real quick. You mix this together till it comes to a boil. I got it on medium heat. Okay, it's starting to boil. We're going to turn that off. We're going to take it off the eye. We're going to put in our sugar and our flour. We're going to mix that all together. Then we're going to add in our eggs, buttermilk, baking soda, and our vanilla. We're going to stir it till it's good and mixed. It's going to be liquidy. That's fine. And we'll pour it in a 9 by 13 pan. We'll smooth it out. We're going to put it in a 350 oven for 30-35 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time of your cake, you're going to start your frosting. It'll be a pan like this on the stove. It's just a few simple ingredients. Butter, cocoa powder, some Coke, I'm going to bring this to a boil. Which doesn't take long. I'm going to put the powdered sugar in there. We're taking it off the eye. And vanilla. All mixed together. We're going to pour it over the cake. Oh, don't that look good? That fudge icing. It's going to sink into this cake. When it hardens, when it cools off, it'll make a little fudge crust. Everybody's going to ask for this recipe. It's delicious, fudgy. It don't take hardly anything to make it. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite chocolate cake is. I hope it's this one. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.